Number 19 in your classwork for quadratic functions asks you to find the x-intercepts, direction of openness, and axis of symmetry for the following. So we have negative 2 times x plus 9 times x plus 3. We know the zeros of the function must be when y equals 0. So when y equals 0, we have negative 2x plus 9 times x plus 3. And it follows from zero product property that x plus 9 must equal 0 and x plus 3 could equal 0. So then we have two roots at x equals negative 9 and x equals negative 3. So those are our x-intercepts. We know the axis of symmetry occurs directly in between these two x-intercepts. So if we take the average of them, so the axis would be the average, so plus negative 3 over 2. So that'll give us negative 12 over 2, which is negative 6. So our axis of sim is at x equals negative 6. And the direction of openness is given by the sign of the whole quadratic equation. So here it's negative, meaning that for whatever x we plug in, it'll at the end values of x, so if we increase x to either negative or positive infinity, if we look at just a sign analysis, right? If we have some large number that's positive, so a positive times a positive will give us a positive, but then this negative makes the function negative. And if we have a very large negative that is greater than both 9 and 3, so then we have a negative times another negative, which would be positive, but then we still have this negative out in front of the 2. So the whole function approaches negative infinity as we go to the as we look at the end behavior. So the direction of openness would be would be downwards, approaching negative infinity.